A girl who's never, ever, never, ever, never been kissed. But damn it, I'm tired of being pure. So how about a little twist? Like something that seeks its level. I wanna go to the devil. I wanna be evil. I wanna spit tax. I wanna be evil. I wanna scratch somebody's back. I wanna be wicked. I wanna tell lies. I wanna be mean and blacken some eyes. I wanna wake up in the morning with that dark brown taste. I wanna see a little dissipation in my face. I wanna be evil.